Welcome to Mappa's Art Studio!
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining me for another video today. So I am doing a Dutch board today, and this piece I created for a work colleague for some custom nursery decor. And you'll see a little later, I didn't film it, but I added some embellishments to it. So those were the colors, and let's get some paint down, and I'll see you guys a little later. Talk soon. Now I wasn't satisfied at all with that blowout, so I scraped it and started over again. I am so much happier with the blowout the second time around. I have a feeling that my base paint was a little bit too thick, so that's why it didn't blow out so properly, but the cells are just popping up all over the place, and it is wonderful. Look at that right there. That started out tiny and it grew. You can see the purple in there and the edge of gold around those pink cells. Just marvelous. Look at all the shimmer there from the 24K gold, and then I also used the Artist Loft metallic purple. Just so pretty. So like I said in the intro, I didn't record the process, but I did end up embellishing it with some hand lettering that says "You are loved," and it's going to be coming up shortly. And there we have it, everyone. These are the dried results before I embellished it with the hand lettering. And here it is with the hand lettering, and I love how it turned out. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.